Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SUNW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. After today's price movement, though, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just house cleaning, get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 83 cents there is one of the newest areas of of support next week. Don't get me wrong though, if the price were to fall below 83, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view now, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line there is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 82 or 83, right around there, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? So for this, got to scrunch up the chart here. Good problem to have because it's been a while since the price has been up this high. So let's figure out some potential battlegrounds. As far as where's the next area of sellers may be residing, going to be right up there around the 97-ish mark. 97, 98, right around there. You could just round it up to the round number of $1 too. That's that's up to your choice. But really, all this stuff doesn't really matter. Why do I say it doesn't matter? Well, what matters is what the price has already started to do, and that is right here. The price has started to build some higher bases, and as long as these bases continue to build themselves, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So at the end of the day, just focus on building higher bases and going through healthy consolidations, and then just sit back and let the bounce continue to take care of itself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.